Well, what are the strengths and weaknesses of Guilford County schools? That was the topic of a packed breakfast meeting held by Action Greensboro today. Thanks for joining us for the Fox 8 4 o'clock news on this Tuesday. I'm Chad Tucker.
And I'm Natalie Wilson. Action Greensboro crunched the numbers to provide an honest, data-driven look at pre-K to 12 public education. The report highlights teacher retention rates, student demographics, and what the school system has done to make up for COVID funds expiring. Fox 8's Gretchen Stinger spoke to Guilford County Schools Superintendent Dr. Whitney Oakley and the Executive Director of Action Greensboro, Cecilia Thompson, to better understand some of the takeaways from this data. Gretchen.
They tell me this report is a roadmap for the school system, and one of the areas they want to improve on is retaining teachers. Last school year, 1 in 5 teachers left the district. Guilford County schools serve over 60,000 students from kindergarten to 12th grade. With that many students, Superintendent Dr. Whitney Oakley says it's the teachers who make the difference in the classroom.
No one can do any other job without a teacher, and I just think our country has kind of fallen behind in our value of the profession.
In a report released by Action Greensboro, teacher retention rates are down. According to the report, 18% of teachers left the school district last year. Dr. Oakley believes it's partly because Guilford County Schools has the lowest local salary supplement out of the surrounding counties.
Last year, North Carolina was the #1 state for business and the 38th in teacher pay, and both of those things can't be true. And so paying attention to it, calling it out, and more importantly, doing something about it.
The report found that 57% of the school system's funding comes from within the county. Cecilia Thompson, the Executive Director of Action Greensboro, says this means local advocacy is critical.
And how do we make sure that we as neighbors and faith leaders, et cetera, are coming together to have really critical conversations, that it's not just going to our school board and asking them what they can do, but really all asking ourselves, what can our community do?
On a bright note, the report shows kindergartners are improving in literacy. Comparing the beginning of the year to the end of the year across the county, reading proficiency increased 40 points. But Dr. Oakley says there's still room to grow.
So we still have student groups who are not making the progress that they need to when they get to that 3rd grade reading, but the early foundational skills really matter. Our elementary teachers have become experts in early literacy foundational skills.
Dr. Oakley tells me while this is great news, educators are working to maintain these numbers through all grade levels. One factor that plays into that success is the high dosage tutoring. Dr. Oakley shared this program was funded through COVID dollars. The funding expired in September. The task moving forward is to find money to keep these programs alive.
We believe tutoring should be a part of what we do all the time, not just when there's a pandemic.
Dr. Oakley attributes these programs to the students' success. Overall, Guilford County Schools has the highest graduation rate compared to other communities. So as this school year comes to an end, educators are already working to make improvements for next school year. In Guilford County, Gretchen Stinger, Fox 8 News.